What's going on, Gearheads? It is time for another episode of Gearhead Life. It's Sunday afternoon, and I would love to wash my car. However, here in the Houston area, we are dealing with what is known as a stage 1 drought condition, which means that we are to limit the use of our water, which means that I can't bust out the power washer and the foam cannon. Fortunately, there's a solution. Enter the Ammo Hoseless Car Wash Kit. It's just what's needed if you live in an area where you can't just hook up a water hose and wash your car. Be it in an apartment complex, restrictions on water use like stage 2 drought conditions like me, or you're just nowhere near a hose. You can use it to wash your car in the garage during winter months, or if you're looking to freshen up your ride at a car show. The key is that it's very portable and uses very little water. Designed by Larry Kozilla, the owner of Ammo NYC, Larry has a very unique approach when it comes to car care. While there may be other companies out there that have Hoseless wash kits, it's the forethought Larry puts into his products that sets him apart. He treats the car's finish like skin, and skin likes to be moisturized and protected. Think of Ammo NYC as skincare products for your car. I think that's why I like Larry's products so. By the way, this video is not sponsored by Ammo NYC. I received a gift card for Ammo NYC for Christmas for my daughter Simone, and I decided to pick this kit up for myself. The overall price was $150. Taking a look at the kit itself, you get the Ammo Aerator, Ammo Frothy, and Ammo Hydrate. Starting off with the Aerator, it's extremely high quality. Definitely not your normal $10 unit you'd pick up from the hardware store. The bottle is easy to grip when you're unscrewing the top. The translucent panel to show you the liquid level is easy to see, and it has a very steady base to sit upon. The handle and trigger have a good, solid feel. The pump feels good as well. One thing I really like is the pressure relief knob on the side. It's recommended to relieve the pressure once you're finished washing. The Ammo Aerator is especially designed for use with Ammo Frothy. It holds 40 fluid ounces and should be good for 4 to 5 washes. Ammo Frothy Hoseless Lift and Wash is a concentrated humectant. A humectant is a common moisturizing agent found in lotions, shampoos, and other beauty products used for your hair and skin. Humectant. That when sprayed from the aerator, makes a thick foam that gets all around the dirt to lift it away from the paint and protects the finish as the foam is wiped away. You're supposed to use 1 ounce of Frothy per 20 ounces of water. A bottle should be good for 25 to 30 washes. Once the car is dry, Ammo Hydrate is used to apply the protective layer to your paint and increases the shine. Again, if Ammo Products is like skincare for your car, think of Frothy as shaving cream and Hydrate as the aftershave lotion. Finally, the kit comes with 12 towels, 6 orange and 6 blue. The orange towels are good for wiping off the Frothy because you can see the dirt you pick up and are less likely to scratch your paint with a dirty towel. The blue towel can be used to apply the Hydrate as well as clean the wheels. So now, let's test out the kit and see how well it works. Okay, I have to admit here that I made a huge mistake. I did not read the instructions at all on how to mix this. I went off of what the video was saying, and the video was saying 2 capfuls for 40 ounces. And that might have been true when the video was made. The cap is much smaller now, and so it really wasn't putting out a whole bunch of suds, even though it probably was enough, but I wanted to make sure I mixed it correctly. So I came back and I added the 6 capfuls for 40 ounces, and it came out a lot more bubbly, and I really liked the way it came out. I was probably spraying a little too much here. I probably only need to make like maybe 2 passes or so. But I just sprayed it till the pressure was almost gone. I was really impressed on how quickly it evaporated once I wiped the suds away. That was awesome to me. Now again, I probably sprayed a little too much, so it filled up my towel rather quickly. But overall, I felt that the Frothy did exactly what it was supposed to do in picking up the dirt off of the surface of the car and giving me something to wipe away without scratching it, or at least minimizing scratches. One thing to make sure is that you need to pump it up between each spray to make sure it has maximum pressure. The whole car took me probably about 10 minutes to do, 10-15 minutes at most. And once I really get a hang of things, it may even be shorter. I was even motivated to just wipe the wheels off. I probably should have used the blue towel, but hey. So after I got done with the wash, I had to run a quick errand, and when I came back, I forgot that I needed to apply the Hydrate to the paint. So I put it in the garage and broke out the Hydrate, and I really like the way this felt as well. It's really thick when it comes out, so make sure you shake it well, but it smells really good, and it really helps you to catch all the spots you missed wiping off when you wash the car. But overall, it left a really smooth feel, and it really enhanced the shine of the car. The next morning, the car looked pretty good. I was very pleased with the way everything worked. And doing the whole car took me about 10 minutes or so. After I finished up, I really wasn't satisfied with the way I mixed the Frothy in the water, and I wanted to make sure I did it right. So I emailed Larry, and he emailed me back the next morning and gave me some pointers and tips, and I went back later on and remixed a new batch and tried it out on a spot that didn't seem to come out too well on the car, and once again it came out very nice. It was just as frothy as the last time, so I think I did well that first time, but I just wanted to be absolutely sure. And I'm thankful to Larry, who was very quick on responding to my email. He responded within 12 hours. It was overnight when I had sent it, and the next morning before I started work, I already had an answer. So I used that knowledge and hit the panel again that I really wasn't satisfied with, and applied a new layer of Hydrate, and I was very satisfied. So overall, I am extremely happy with Ammo's Hoseless wash kit. It is definitely portable. It gets the job done. It's perfect for when you're in a situation when you need to either conserve water, don't have water handy, or you're at a car show and you want to freshen up your car. This is the kit for you. I really love it. I actually got the feeling that I was pampering my car in a sense, even though I was just doing a hoseless version of washing it, but it actually felt good that I had like a car specific product for my car from a reputable place. I like that. A big shout out to Larry Kozilla, who was very prompt in responding to his emails. I've heard that he has a reputation for getting back to all of his customers, and I thank you, Larry. So that's going to be it for this episode of the Gearhead Lounge's Gearhead Life. Be sure and like, share, and subscribe, and be on the lookout for the next video coming out very soon. Thanks a lot for dropping by. Take care.